Happy Monday, welcome to the vlog. This one is gonna be a little bit of a Mod Podge of our zoo day, the beach, and a sheep shearing class. And I think it'll give you a little bit of a closer look into one of the real homeschool moms of Northwest Indiana, Erin from Erin's Farm in Hobart. So first thing we're gonna jump into is the sheep shearing class that is open to the public. Well, it's over now. And those are the kinds of events that you can look for. It was also an open farm day. And then we're gonna jump into the Washington Park Zoo, which I've taken you guys to before through these videos. It's one of our favorites, but this was set up as a homeschool, like end of year type celebration, even though we go all year. But it was just a really fun day. And the kids actually did learn. They were surprising me with things they actually already knew at the zoo. And we were lucky enough that when we got there, very shortly after we got there, Erin was there. And so we ended up walking the farm together. So you'll get to know her a little bit better through that too. All right, see ya at sheep shearing.
The scented oils that you want to. So when you say 6 months, I bought it. Feel the resistance pull back. Okay. Now both of my things have. Give you a little trial.
So as you can tell, we are back out at the farm. Today was a sheep shearing class. It was super cool. We got to watch her do some, and then we got to try it ourselves. And I'm gonna start highlighting some of the other real moms. What are we calling ourselves? The real homeschool moms of Northwest Indiana. So Erin is one of them. She is incredible. She has so many credentials in so many different fields that I cannot even start to tell you all of them. She's gonna have to do that. So I will have to clear her for an interview. But you saw her in action. And then one of our other real homeschool moms of Northwest Indiana is Miss Brandy. And Brandy was in a clip shearing the sheep as well. She's done a lot of things too. She's very holistic. She can tell you all kinds of things about plants and their origins and how they can be used to help your everyday life. And it's just one example. I know it's summer at this point. I know Hanover schools are still in, a lot of schools are out, but this is the kind of real life fun stuff that homeschool families get to take advantage of year round. And you can too. Friends! So this is love. La, da, da, da.
That is pretty neat, the setup they built.
I could spend all day just sitting right here.
Mom, I think I found a tough flying bird.
Hi, zebra. You're very pretty.
Someone playing a drum. Its eyes moved back. Oh, no, it didn't. Don't move that bird.
I wanted to make the sound again. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. You can see the wild homeschool child chasing after her homeschool friends. On display at the zoo today. Ah, the elusive close friend.
Oh, wait. I like this.
One right there.
Mommy, look it.
One over there.
Noise there, man.
Did you listen? You hear that? They sound like drums.
Hello, little dinosaur. We have never actually seen the bobcat. There he is. It's like the ultimate hidden picture. So, Raina found him.
Mommy.
Big old teddy bear does not want to wake up.
Oh no, there's now.
You and that weird cat noise. It's not working. No. So majestic as it trips over the fence. I love the castle. It's my favorite.
He's putting all his feathers out.
Ooh, he does. He spread them feathers. Wow. look how big. Aren't you just the most beautiful?
Wait, Mom, that one's not
Wow. Make a wish, throw it in the bucket.
In the bucket?
Yeah, I feel like it's extra wishes if you throw it in the bucket. You better make a wish.
I did.
Okay.
I know what a wish for.
Yes.
Is that what you have to do? Just get in the bucket?
I mean, it'll take your money regardless if it goes in the bucket, but I feel like it's extra wishy. It's so pretty up here. If you, this is crazy.
Wow.
So worth the view.
It is worth it. Wow.
Worth the view. The view is worth the work.
I can see half. I can't even see all the lake. Are you sure it's not the Pacific Ocean?
We made it. We made. Where's the camera?
Right there.
Oh, hi camera. Hi. Finally made it inside the castle with this handsome prince. Or are you a king at this point? King. I want to cuddle this bird because it dropped its orange on the floor.
I thought that was there.
Nope. So these girls actually did learn how to milk, well, goats. So they should be pros at this fake one.
Oh my god.
The gators are out.
1, 2, 3. There's 3.
Hi, Mr. Iguana. Oh, he's happy. It's good weather for him. Oh, your capybara.
There's a fat one.
Is it an anteater? It's Tam from Pig and Tam. Boss baby. I'm boss baby, boss.
It's like a blue jay on steroids.
Right. Look at this. When you guess and it's accurate. Part blue jay. Sean is looking for his friend.
Wow.
Snakes.
We have 2
Some
of these in
knickers.
the schoolroom. We have 2 of these in the schoolroom.
That's the fun part about homeschooling and being friends with people like Erin, because you can walk around a zoo and in the zoo they're like, oh, we had that. We have that. Oh, we have 2 of those. It's so pretty.
Here, try this one over here, maybe.
Another successful trip through the gift shop. Cold. I can't believe you crazies are swimming. Real homeschool moms. And then swimnastics. There it is.
I'm gonna get my swimming twirl.
We're in the water. Okay, there wasn't as much of Erin in there as I thought there was. I'm sorry. But I will get more like a direct interview with her. And I think we're going to do like a social media day for the farm too, just to like raise awareness. So I will link the farm's website in the description, and it's such a great place, and they are great people, and I love our homeschool community. And that is it for today. I'm trying to think of what we've got coming up next. We are doing a paddleboard yoga class as a group tomorrow. So probably some of that. And then probably next week or so. Thank you, Stella. Caroline and I are doing a mother-daughter no-spend challenge this week because Disney is rapidly approaching and we need some money. So I'm gonna be taking little clips of footage of us trying to not spend money. So yeah. All right, that's it for right now. We will see you later.